Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm Oil.
Great.
Are you from India, right?
Yes, yes, I'm from India.
Okay, exactly where are you from in India?
It's our capital, Delhi, New Delhi. You can say that.
Okay, are you from
Hmm.
Delhi? Uh, Delhi is your by born state, or are you from any other state?
No, no, actually, my state is a different because I'm living in like Delhi, but my state is a different. Like I'm from Chhattisgarh. Like you can say that south, not
Sat-
south, North India.
Chhattisgarh is a city or a state?
My hometown.
Hometown. I know Chhattisgarh is a town, but I said this is a city or a state.
No, no, state, not
State
city.
Chhattisgarh. It's not a famous in my country, but Kolkata, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and many more states are very famous in my country. Reason is films, movies.
Because my state is small, so that is why. But Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and also UP, we are just neighbor. And
Okay.
Odisha, Jharkhand,
Orissa,
we are just
Jharkhand.
neighbor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Orissa, Jharkhand nearby Kolkata, West Bengal. Not a Kolkata, West Bengal. Orissa, Jharkhand.
Kolkata,
West,
Odisha,
Orissa nearby West Bengal, I think.
Odisha, not West Bengal,
Nearby,
West Bengal,
nearby West
West
Bengal.
Bengal. You told me West Bengal. No,
Mamata,
I don't think.
Bandyopadhyay, Mamata Mukherjee.
I don't think so. But yeah, I don't know about it.
Their
Literally,
language
I'm
is
trying.
Bengali language, kind of my country's language. I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Yes. Are you a student?
Me, actually, I'm not a student. I'm entrepreneur.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you are a businessman right now, right? What kind of business?
My business, it's digital marketing.
Okay. You have agency or you freelancer?
No, no, no. Not freelance.
You
Wait
have
a second.
agency.
Wait. Seriously, I'll try to speak up. Actually, no, no. Actually, I don't have any agency, but I run advertisement on myself because we teach we provided digital skills like a content creation, website designing, graphic. There is a 35 plus high paying courses and we teach also. And yeah, and if I tell about freelancing like meta advertisement, then yeah, I absolutely run, but not anyone. I'm just running on myself
Okay, okay.
because very well in business, we need to clients, a lot of clients, so that is why I run advertisement.
I am also DM.
Yeah, great. And if you're and don't quit in future,
Yeah.
right? Because in digital era there is a lot of scope here, a lot of scope, whatever you want to earn, however you want to earn, you can just earn
Right, right.
lakh rupees, crore rupees, you can easily earn, isn't it? So that is why, because I got it very well. And last year when I got it about digital marketing power, and I dropped my college. I dropped my university because I got it very well. So that is why I thought that no, yeah, I don't want to do job. I want to do I want to do business.
It's great. your plan
Hmm.
and your activities, mind.
So, by the way, how's your
Satisfied.
experience like about your freelancing? Because you already told me about your like you are freelancer, right?
7 years experience I have about DM.
Okay, you have a 7 year experience, but you are looking like a like a yeah 1 year experience. You are looking like a yeah you have 1 year experience. Just
No, no, no. I have 7 years experience about this field. And basically, I am digital marketing trainer. I train in a government project in my country, and
okay,
now I am sitting in my lab. I am spending time with the people through this app. My office 9 to 5. Basically, I quit freelancing sector many years ago. Now I am a trainer. I train some students for growth their skills.
great.
Yeah. I have a night phobia. I can't. I need a lots. I need a sleep at night, and this is a digital marketing field. This I always working with foreign people, basically European and American people, and we have
Okay,
a lots of
okay.
time gap. I notice I have some health issue, and I quit this field. After that, I move this sector.
Hmm. So nice to talk with you.